On the cold steppe of Mongolia, a boy is left with nothing. His name is Genghis Khan, though he is not called that yet, only Temujin. A child watching his father die and his family abandoned to the wind. The tribe that once protected them turns away. Food grows scarce. His family survives on roots, small animals, anything they can find. Hunger sharpens him early. Trust becomes dangerous. When betrayal comes from within, Temujin responds without hesitation, learning that survival demands strength. Years pass, and the steppe hardens him. He is captured by a rival clan, bound with a wooden collar and treated as property. One night, under darkness, he escapes, slipping into the grasslands and disappearing into the open world that raised him. From that moment on, he begins to gather followers, not nobles, not princes, but men who believe loyalty should be earned, not inherited. Small groups become larger. He forms alliances through loyalty and marriage, building bonds that go deeper than tradition. Clans that once fought each other are brought together, sometimes by agreement, sometimes by force. Temujin breaks old customs, promoting warriors for skill, not blood. Loyalty binds his growing army, and discipline shapes it into something new. Battles come quickly. Horsemen sweep across the plains, moving faster than any enemy expects. Arrows darken the sky, striking with precision before the enemy can respond. They retreat, then return, confusing and breaking larger forces. Enemies who once saw scattered tribes now face a united power. One by one, rival clans fall or join him, until the steppe itself answers to his command. Then comes the moment that changes everything. Temujin is given a new name, Genghis Khan, ruler of all Mongols. The tribes are no longer divided. They move as one, bound by law, loyalty, and fear. Beyond the steppe, the world waits. Cities rise behind walls, believing themselves safe. But the Mongol army adapts, learning siege warfare, breaking through defenses once thought impossible. Trade routes fall under their control, and entire kingdoms begin to collapse under the speed and force of their advance. Through it all, Genghis Khan leads from the front, enforcing order, rewarding loyalty, and crushing betrayal without hesitation. His empire stretches farther with every campaign. By the time the campaigns slow, the boy, who once had nothing, has reshaped the known world. Across vast lands, from the steppe to distant cities, one name carries power. And it began with a child who refused to disappear. Hope you enjoyed this brick history lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for more history content like this.